Here's a question from Lana. I spilled olive oil on my wooden floor. I wiped it off right away, but now when I walk on the floor, it creaks. What can I do to fix it? Well, now this goes against what most people will tell you, but this should work. Take some dish soap and warm water and make a nice soapy solution. And then with a sponge, I want you to wipe over that area where you spilled the olive oil. But I want you to use enough water that gets into the grooves. And then I want you to wipe it and dry it up with a towel of some sort and then put a fan on it. The whole idea is for the dish soap to kind of break apart the oil, which has gotten underneath the wood, and then the fan is going to dry that out. That should help things improve over time. If it still creaks after that, your only option is to face nail down through the wood floor. But I think this will work without the use of any nails. Here's an email from Gail. When I turn on the shower, the hotter I turn the water, the less water I get. What's the problem, and is this a do-it-yourself fix? Gail, this might not be a do-it-yourself project, but you be the judge. Chances are you have an anti-scald valve, and it may just need to be adjusted, which means you have to take the handle off, and there'll be almost like a gear inside there that needs to be adjusted, or it could be the valve insert itself, the valve part that you turn on and off. That may have to come out and be replaced, which means you have to turn the main water valve off to do that and go to the hardware store and get a new valve and put it all back in. Sounds like to me you'd be better off hiring a licensed plumber to fix this problem for you.